cheese boards and explained talks was wonderful. 6 awesome friends, women, bought quite a few cheeses. Excellent cheese tasting experience with Blake. His knowledge, friendliness and efficiency are outstanding. Amazing experience. Had some incredible cheeses, and in such a great tasting. Would much rather do my tastings like this. Pay a set amount, get full-size portions per person, each cheese is matched with a cracker or bread and a side like an olive or chutney, with breads, olives and vinegars to dip. All served on a board and explained when they're delivered, then left to it while we enjoy it outside. Then we took some cheese, crackers, oil and balsamic home so we could do it again at home. I'd happily do it again and would highly recommend it. The service at this place was wonderful. The expert who gave us the talk was very friendly, and we received excellent attention. He explained everything to us, and even though we didn't have a reservation, he helped us and gave us a tasting. A great way to spend some time and taste some delicious cheeses and condiments delivered with fabulous service. The staff are incredibly knowledgeable and happy to spend time answering any questions. Thanks for a great afternoon. We were seated immediately upon arriving and got our cheese tasting plates shortly after. The staff were very friendly and helpful and we loved the cheeses we were given to try. The picture indicates fruit and meat with platter, but it's all extra and it's mostly bread and biscuits with 3 small pieces of cheese and 2 chutneys. Definitely not worth the money we paid. Wouldn't recommend. Staff were nice and friendly though. Quick to be seated. The place is large and little atmosphere. The cheese presenter were very nice and knowledgeable, however the type of cheese presented were not at all impressive.